Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a Dodge Avenger. A failing water pump can lead to engine overheating, so addressing it promptly is crucial for your vehicle's health. This process, while requiring some attention to detail, is manageable for many DIY enthusiasts. We'll walk through each step, from preparing your vehicle and draining the coolant to installing the new pump and refilling the system. By the end, you'll have the confidence to tackle this repair, saving you significant labor costs. Before starting, ensure your engine is cool to the touch. Gather your tools, including a new water pump, gasket, fresh coolant, and a large drain pan. Safely raise the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it with sturdy jack stands. Locate the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom of the radiator, and place your drain pan underneath. Carefully open the drain plug and allow all the old coolant to drain completely. This step is vital for a clean and safe replacement process. With the coolant drained, it's time to access the water pump. First, locate the serpentine belt tensioner. Use a wrench to relieve tension and carefully remove the serpentine belt from the pulleys. Next, identify any hoses or brackets that might be in the way and disconnect or move them aside. Now, you can unbolt the water pump from the engine block. There are typically 3 to 5 bolts holding it in place. Once unbolted, gently pry the old pump free and thoroughly clean the mounting surface to ensure a proper seal for the new pump. Now for the installation. Apply a thin layer of RTV sealant to the new gasket if recommended, then carefully position the new water pump and gasket onto the engine block. Hand tighten the bolts, then torque them to the manufacturer's specifications, usually around 25 foot-pounds. Reconnect all hoses and brackets and reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's correctly routed. Finally, refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant. Start the engine and allow it to reach operating temperature. Keep an eye on the coolant level and bleed any trapped air from the system, checking for leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.